Hello kids! Today we will learn 3-letter words with I in middle. We will learn this word in cursive writing. Now let's start. Our first word is bin. B-I-N, bin. First we will write B as capital, B-I-N, bin. Now B as small, B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. Our next word is pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin as P small. P-I-N, pin. Our next word is tin. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. Now T as small. T-I-N, tin. Our next word is nib. N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. Now N as small. N-I-B, nib. Now once repeated. B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. N-I-B, nib. Our next word is kid. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Now K as small. K-I-D, kid. Our next word is lid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. Now with small l. L-I-D, lid. Our next word is big. B-I-G, big. Big with capital B. Now with small b. Our next word is big. D-I-G, dig. Now with small d. D-I-G, dig. Now once repeat it. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. Our next word is zip. Z-I-P, zip. Now with capital Z. With small z. Z-I-P, zip. Our next word is lip. L-I-P, lip. With small l. Our next word is nib. N-I-B, nib. With small n. Our next word is bib. B-I-B, bib. With capital B. With small b. B-I-B, bib. Now let's repeat it. Z-I-P, zip. L-I-P, lip. N-I-B, nib. B-I-B, bib. I hope you learned a lot in this video. For more such videos, tune with us. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.